abya etukayigiraya abantu aba omwabutongole mwasinja obulemu. The
Obusinga Bwa Rwenzururu Cultural Institution has launched and unveiled the official running kits for the inaugural King Mumbere's birthday run, set for November 14th, 2025. The King's Prime Minister, Varita Zali Kule Benson, unveiled the official kits at Wiranda Hotel in Kasese Town, calling on all subjects, both at home and abroad, to rally behind the cause.
Let me take this singular honor and privilege to launch the Obusinga's birthday run, which will take place on 14th of November 2025. I now call upon all the people in and outside this country to participate in the birthday run to support the OBR development agenda. I have talked of peace, I have talked of unity, I have talked of reconciliation, I have talked of socio-economic and cultural development.
The Prime Minister noted that the event is dedicated to raising funds for the establishment of a kingdom-owned radio station, a one-stop cultural tourism center, and other projects under the kingdom's strategic development plan.
So, in a bid to raise funds for the above strategic projects, OBR leadership, in consultation with His Majesty, has organized the Obusinga's birthday run, scheduled for 14th November 2025. So we have really resolved on this day, the birthday of His Majesty Obusinga Charles Mumbere, as one area that we can use to collect funds to implement our many projects.
He emphasized that the proposed radio station, to be named Rwenzururu Radio, Omulenge Kithwa, will not only provide a timely communication platform for King Charles Wesley Mumbere, but also safeguard the culture, norms and language of the Rwenzururu people.
We thought that we should fundraise and start handling the many projects one by one. But first on the agenda is establishing the radio, because it will mobilize for the other projects.
Kule Benson further urged the subjects not to keep good ideas to themselves, but to cooperate and work as a team if the kingdom is to achieve success. He also warned the selected committee against corruption, stressing that a cultural institution must embody honesty and integrity.
There is zero tolerance to corruption. A cultural institution preaches honesty and integrity, and we must walk the talk. Such an activity where money is involved acts as a litmus test. Those who have been selected to be on the committee should therefore be honest and should have integrity.
Meanwhile, Kasese Divisional Police Commander SP Hassan Hiwumbire commended the kingdom for the initiative and assured the public that police will provide full security before, during and after the event.
As Uganda Police, we pledge our total commitment towards this job. We want to assure you, the people of OPR, we are going to be with you in this course, and we are going to mobilize our own, the officers, to participate in this run. On that note, we are going to buy, on behalf of Kasese Police Division, we are going to buy 10 kits. Secondly, we are going to make sure that we protect all the persons of OBR community.
The run is part of activities to commemorate the 59th coronation anniversary of Obusinga Mumbere. Other events will include a memorial service for the first Obusinga, Isaya Mukiranya Kibazanga the First, a cultural gala, cultural promotion day, and the Royal Queen's Day. Many subjects also committed their support through pledges and cash.
Meaning to even so I'm taking the first kit at Mitolukum.
The Kingdom's Minister for Information, Kanyonyi Geoffrey, revealed that every Rwenzururu subject and well-wishers will contribute 2,000 Ugandan shillings each. He added that the race will feature 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and 21 kilometers categories, with King Mumbere himself awarding medals to the top 3 male and female finishers. Compiled by Xavier Baluku for Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.
Abanyarwenzururu